How to fix Google Chrome lag and being slow problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome, click on your profile located at the top right or press on three dots. Then scroll down to settings. In settings at the left side, you'll find system. Simply click on system. In system, turn off use graphic acceleration when available. Make sure it's turned off. After doing this, restart your Chrome. If it still does not solve your problem, click on three dots at the top right again. And then go to extension, manage extensions. And you'll find your extensions pop up. Simply remove or turn off the extensions one by one. After you've done that, turn on one by one and make sure which one is causing you problem and remove the one which is causing problem. This is how to fix Google Chrome lag and being slow problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.